And this is for the World Skills ASEAN for electrical installation. So the electrical installation equipment will train various kinds of innovative design ability, practical operation ability, and engineering practical ability of students to the standards and processes of World Skills competition. The equipment is also equipped with the World Skills competition supporting resource package that includes building intelligent control training system using KNX digital distributed control system for automation and centralized control management within the area of all kinds of lighting, air condition, curtains, and other electrical equipment. It can fulfill the energy monitoring, not only effectively managing the electrical equipment and providing flexible functions and effects, but also maintain and extend the service life of lamps and electrical equipment to achieve safety, energy saving, harmonization, and intelligentization. So this is our electrical installation training system for ASEAN and World Skills competition.